Monkey hot. Monkey shivering in the tree. Forehead feel like a baked plantain. Monkey think, I am sick. I need the magic white pill from the human's cabinet. The antibiotics. Monkey run to medicine box, grab pill, and swallow it with a banana. But wait, 2 days pass. Monkey still hot, still miserable, and now monkey's stomach hurt too. Why magic pill not work? Because monkey stupid. Monkey not know difference between a sneaky bacterium and a tiny virus. Today, I teach you why antibiotics do absolutely nothing for monkey viral fever. Think of monkey body like a beautiful banana plantation. A bacterial infection is like a gang of wild baboons breaking into the plantation. They are living, breathing creatures. They have microscopic moving parts. They steal the bananas, chew the leaves, and physically wreck the place. Antibiotics are like a specialized baboon trapping squad. They go in and specifically target how the baboon breathes, how it builds its nest, or how it multiplies. The antibiotic pill drops into the body and blows up the cell walls of the bacteria. Boom! Baboon's gone. Plantation saved. But a viral fever? A virus is not a baboon. A virus is not even a real living animal. A virus is like a spooky invisible ghost recipe for a bad banana. It has no cell walls. It has no metabolism. It doesn't chew or breathe. It is just a tiny strand of genetic code wrapped in a protein coat. When a virus enters the monkey plantation, it doesn't build its own nest. It sneaks inside the actual banana trees, the monkey's own healthy cells, and hijacks the tree's machinery to force it to clone millions of copycat ghost recipes. Now look at the antibiotic trapping squad. They arrive at the plantation looking for baboons to fight. But there are no baboons. There are only the monkey's own banana trees acting crazy because they are possessed by the ghost recipe. The antibiotic looks around and says, there is nothing for me to destroy here. Antibiotics cannot kill a virus because a virus does not have the parts that antibiotics are designed to break. Trying to cure a viral fever with antibiotics is like throwing a net at a ghost, or trying to fix a glitching computer by hitting a tree with a stick. It makes no sense. But what's the harm? Monkey asks. Why not just take it anyway, just in case? Big mistake. Remember, monkey plantation has good friendly lemurs that help clean the trees and digest the monkey's food. These are the good bacteria in monkey gut. When monkey takes antibiotics for a virus, the trapping squad gets frustrated because they can't find the virus. So instead, they attack the innocent lemurs. Now monkey has a viral fever and severe diarrhea because his gut microbiome is destroyed. No more processing bananas smoothly. Worse, the few bad baboons hiding in the bushes watch the trapping squad. They learn their tricks. They mutate. They become super baboons that are completely immune to the traps. This is antibiotic resistance. Next time monkey gets a real bacterial infection, the magic pill will do nothing and monkey will be in big trouble. So what does monkey do for viral fever? Simple. Monkey put down the pills. Monkey rest in the shade to let the immune system army build its own anti-ghost weapons. Monkey drink plenty of coconut water so he doesn't dry up like a rotten raisin. Monkey eats soft, easily digestible bananas for energy. Monkey realize that time and rest are the only true cure. And when the fever finally breaks, monkey will look in the river reflection and say, wow, my immune system is bananas.